my gosh, you guys, you got to check this out. I'm looking at it right now, and woo, check this out, you guys. All right, the suspense is over. Let's go check out the cage, you guys. I got a little sneak peek earlier, and I am stoked. Look where we're at today. Yeah, Red Rock ATV Repair and Hindenburg Customs. We're gonna go in here and get a quick look at this cage. Oh my gosh, you guys, you gotta check this out. I'm looking at it right now, and woo, check this out, you guys. All right, the suspense is over. So we just got it tacked up right now, and we're gonna pull it off here and finish welding it up tomorrow morning. But oh my gosh, check this out. Okay, so we got some plates cut. You just saw the plasma cutter doing that. They're on both sides. We got the original bungs cut out, they're in place, and we have taken and measured up and done the drawing and everything for the cage. And so now we're just gonna start bending some tube. Okay, so we ran everything through Bentech. Is that what it is, Bentech? Bentech. Got our Bentech Pro. Got all of our measurements out there. Laid everything out on the pipe, and ready to start doing some bending.
You want to go to 18 cells. What's up? 18 will get you there.
That was based off the
28 degrees.
cuts on the seam too. I've got two scales about that. Short, just because, like I said, the tubing is different. It's different types of tubing and springs. We'll bring her up to 17 1/4 and check it. And 17 1/4. Tic-tac noodles.
Boom. You guys, this is so sick. We got the brackets welded on back here for the shocks to go horizontal with the cage. How about that? Dual B pillars. Got the handles. Got the intrusion bars. Oh man. You guys, I can't tell you how excited I am. This cage is absolutely sick. Attention to detail. Is that focused or not? Maybe it is. Look at that, you guys. Woo! All right, you guys, check out the detail on this. So this is pre-welded. Look how tight those seams are. I mean, these guys absolutely killed it. Look at this, the handle on both sides. Got some extra support back here. We got the dual B pillars. And how about those shocks? That's gonna be pretty sick with those shocks mounted horizontal. Ugh. You guys, I'm so excited about this. You're not gonna wanna miss the rest of it. We got new suspension coming. We got exhaust coming. And my goodness. I think you guys can tell that I'm excited. Can't wait to get this thing out there. Anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. I gotta give a huge shout out to Corey here, Geoff, Omar, these guys at Hindenburg Customs and Red Rock Repair. They're absolutely killing it. I absolutely love this cage, you guys. Corey over here, he's getting some TIG welding going on right now. We're gonna get that thing a little bit more, get it a little tighter, and then we'll take it off and probably finish welding it from there. But look at this, you guys. Let's talk about stacking some dimes. Check that out. Woo, that's some welding going on there, boys. I just want to sit here and look at it. I could watch Corey, the master welder over here, all day long. My eyes are gonna feel like they have sand in them tonight. You ever had your eyes burned by welding? It's not fun. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this off and check out this welding going on here and hang out and stare at this cage for a minute. But anyway, subscribe right now, you guys. You don't want to miss what's coming up on this. The rest of the build, the suspension, the exhaust, the rest of the cage, everything that we're doing on this. Subscribe right now so you don't miss any of it. And like this video, share it with your friends. Drop it out for Hindenburg Customs. I love it. You can see they got all kinds of stuff going on here. They got an old Bronco they're gonna build a cage for. Another rock crawler here. You want to talk about some killer razor cages? You guys need a cage for your new 4-seat razor? Check this out. This one's one they're fishing up, sitting on their jig. There's another one they've got welded up and ready for powder coat. But it's the shiz, you guys. Rocky Mountain Backcountry. We're out this time. Watch for more on the new cage coming up real soon.